This morning on the radar, things are quiet, and that is good news as you head out and about to work early and later on this afternoon. We've only got about a 20% chance to see a shower here as we've got a relatively dry day before the showers and thunderstorms return in the afternoon for tomorrow. You have to go up to the Florida Panhandle south of Panama City, south of I-10 here to pick up a few streamers that are actually wrapping around the remnants of Cristobal as it moves through the midsections of the country. More on that in just a moment. We got to get you out the door here this morning, and boy, is it warm and muggy. Our average low this time of year is 73, and we're well above that, and these temperatures aren't going to move much. We're waking up a degree or two cooler, believe it or not, from where we were this time yesterday, and with dew point values still in the mid to upper 70s. It's very humid outside. It's sticky. You factor in that later, and we're going to see our heat index values well over 100. And this morning with calm winds, we're tracking some patchy fog up along the Peace River from Arcadia back towards Northport. You can see the wind is very light here this morning. It's slightly out of the east from Fort Myers down through Marco Island, and later on today it'll be a little more out of the south. That'll help push our temperatures up to about 92, and we've got fairly low rain chances for today as we're going to stay warm and humid even again tonight with lows back in the upper 70s. Check out the predictor model through 5 to 6 o'clock this evening. Not much happening as that sea breeze front tries to kick in, and that's why our rain chances are so low here today. It's up around I-4 towards Jacksonville where we pick up the most substantial rain. For tomorrow, though, a much different story. Watch what happens between Lake Okeechobee and our coastline. Showers and thunderstorms developing. We get back into a typical rainy season pattern here for Wednesday and Thursday. As far as what we're doing, we're tracking the tropics still here this morning with the remnants of Cristobal now moving north of Memphis into Missouri. St. Louis all the way back towards Kansas City here. Heavy rain right there along I-70 and I-44 towards Springfield. And as we broaden the view a little more, this is that secondary storm system. These two will merge in the days ahead. This one had sparked a couple of severe thunderstorm boxes from South Dakota all the way back through Nebraska. And then check out Denver. It's cold enough there in the Rockies. They've got heavy snow falling there on the western side of the city. And to show you what it looks like here on the predictor model, here are the remnants of Cristobal. Here comes that storm system, and they kind of merge here in the upper Midwest by Wednesday morning. And then it's going to drag a line of severe weather from Indianapolis back through Cincinnati in the days ahead. National Hurricane Center also watching this little area of low pressure, only giving it a 10% chance of developing in the days ahead. Your Ingram Marine forecast, light southeast winds early turning southwest, seas 2 to 3 feet with inland waters smooth. And as we look ahead at the next 7 days, showers and thunderstorms back in the forecast for tomorrow. Another dry day on Friday before the rainy pattern returns over the weekend.